Welcome guys to my channel PyTube. Today I ordered 3 Wi-Fi adapters for penetration from China. Let's unbox it first. So the Wi-Fi adapters are really cheap. We can see I received 3 orders accordingly. Let's open the first one. Yeah, it's the same product as description. Let's open it first. We can see it has mini Wi-Fi adapter as I ordered from China. We will test it later. Let's open second one. Yeah, it has the same Wi-Fi adapter as pictures that I ordered from China. It was really cheap. Each one cost $2 and the shipping was free. Yeah, the driver is saying, yeah. Now we will test it in Kali Linux. So first we will test this mini Wi-Fi adapter. Let's see if its driver supported by our Kali Linux or not. It's the manual. Who wants the manual? Let's plug it and move to our Linux machine. So now we have to type. Now we have to connect our virtual machine with the adapter. Now we can see what is this adapter chipset. Oh no, the chipset is not supported by Linux, Kali Linux. Wasted. First one is not working with Kali Linux. Sorry guys. Let's test the second one. I hope it works fine with Kali Linux. Let's test it. Let's plug it and move to our Linux machine. Yeah, now it's connected. Let's clear our terminal and type. Wow, guys, its chipset is supported by our Kali Linux. Yeah, we can see iwconfig command working perfectly. Let's test the monitor mode working or not. Yeah, guys, monitor mode also working. Let's check if it support injection mode or not. So that we should type sudo airplay test. Yeah, injection mode is also working perfectly. Let's see if AP mode is working or not. Guys, AP mode is not working. Let's check our third Wi-Fi adapter. It's the same. However, we will test it also. And don't forget, we have a bonus on our ending video. Let's plug in and move to our Linux machine. Connect to our virtual box. Now see the chipset LS USB. Yeah, it's the same Wi-Fi chip and it's also supporting Kali Linux. Now we will start monitor mode. Yeah, it's also working. Now we will start uh, injection mode to check. Yeah, its injection mode is also working. Now we will see if its AP mode is working or not. However, our WPS and monitor mode and integration mode working. That's good. Now we will see a bonus Wi-Fi adapter. I ordered it from China and it cost only $1. I bought it only from $1. Now we will test it. Let's connect to our VMware machine. There, it's connected. Now see its Wi-Fi adapter chipset. Yeah, the chipset is available but not built in with Kali Linux. We have to install it from GitHub manually. I have previously installed it. Now see if it supports monitor mode or not. Let's see. Yeah, it supported monitor mode. Let's test packet injection mode. Yeah, it supports packet injection mode also. Now we will test AP mode. Yeah, finally guys, we can see the $1 Wi-Fi adapter supports packet injection monitor and in both AP mode. This $1 Wi-Fi adapter, we can use it as penetration Wi-Fi adapter device. Thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.